Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today we're going to be looking at 3 new thermals from Colores de Carol. So this collection is called the Summer Adventure Trio. Do you guys remember when I was talking about that rather fantastic red to clear thermal that Colores de Carol did for the book month at Polish Pickup? It was based on Memoirs of a Geisha, and I told you all that you needed it because it was so fantastic. Basically, Colores de Carol, when she does these colored to translucent or colorless when they're warm thermals, she packs all these incredibly delicate and beautiful, soft, feminine components inside there so that when you're wearing it and it's at its warm state, it's just almost like this beautiful, just glistening topper, and it's like wearing a clear manicure. Oh, it's so fun, you guys. So I love them. When I heard that she was coming out with 3 more, I was just beyond excited. They're in jewel tones this time, so we have this beautiful berry, we have this gorgeous dark teal, and this purple. So excited, you guys. These are already currently available. I'm going to be doing live application just like I always do. Don't forget, with Colores de Carol, I do have a code. It's just a 10% off code. It's not an affiliate code. It just gives you 10% if you use my discount code. So anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go in alphabetical order. If you want to click on the link in the description bar and open up a separate window, you can follow along at the website if you'd like as we talk about each shade. So we'll go ahead and get started with the deep teal shade. So this polish is called By the Sea, and these polishes all have different but similar kinds of components inside the base where it's going to look totally different depending on if you are cool or warm. You know, if you're a warm-blooded person like me, this will be probably clear on you most of the time, especially because we're coming into the summer months. And then the other day I was wearing these and I was at the supermarket and I was walking down the frozen food section and I was like, goodness, I'm cold. And I looked down at my nails and I've got these beautiful, bright, vibrant teal nails, especially really dark on the tips. It's just so fun. If you haven't tried a thermal yet, Colores de Carol does a really great job at them. So let's go ahead and get into it with By the Sea. This polish is described as a thermal that transitions from a deep teal when it's cold to colorless when it's warm. It's packed with Aurora Shimmer. Now remember, we talked about Aurora Shimmer as the really bright, shifty kind of shimmer where it's not going to dull down the look of the polish, but just giving this really bright twinkle of usually a couple colors. It also has iridescent chameleon glitter, so shifting between a bright green to a red that gives kind of an otherworldly look on the nail. Love me some chameleon glitter. And metallic blue micro glitter. So I'm going to do 3 coats on all of these just so that you can watch how the darker color, the color when you're cold, will deepen up as you add more layers. And then what happens is, because you've added layer upon layer of the polish with all the little delicate components in there, when it's warm, you've got this just speckled nail and it's giving you such great coverage of all these components. It's just so cool, you guys. Love. The next polish in the collection is this beautiful deep berry. It's called Refresh. Refresh is described as a thermal that transitions from a magenta fuchsia when it's cold to colorless when warm. It has Aurora Shimmer again, micro confetti glitter, and micro hollow glitter. So this is the one that has the hollow, and it has the confetti glitter is describing these little teeny tiny glitters that are just really fun colors. We've got like a lime, a blue, a pink. It's really fun and playful. This is the one that I've had on my nails in this video, and I don't know if you've noticed that on my 4th finger I have it on as a topper, and it just looks so beautiful, like as an accent nail like that as well. I put it over a pink and it's just so beautiful, you guys. I'm obsessed with these colorless thermals. Obsessed. They're so fun. And then you can really see all that confetti glitter when you're wearing it as a topper. Just like with the teal, I did 3 coats of this. Now, like I said, I'm warm-blooded, so it's going into its warm state like almost instantly. And especially because I have the lights over me while I'm filming. It's definitely warming up my space. And so you're basically going to see this going right into the warm state, but I wanted to build it up so that we could see when it's in its cold state how it's going to look at an opacity with 3 coats, if that makes sense. So Anyway, this polish is called Refresh. I just love it. If you were looking for a super fun, bright, jewel-toned magenta, it's just so yummy. It's so juicy. The third polish in the collection is this beautiful purple. Now, she has done a few purple thermals before, but none that went to colorless when warm. So this polish is called Wild and Free. And Wild and Free is described as a thermal that transitions from purple when it's cold to colorless when warm. It has micro hollow glitter, aurora shimmer, violet hollow hex glitter, and blue iridescent flakes. So this is the only one that has flakies in there. And it's so hard to pick a favorite. This one might be my favorite though because I like flakies so much. But you guys, they're all so special. And like I said, they're all really different. Even though they each have very small, delicate components, they all had really different components. So each one is just so, so special. I think that if you love thermals, you need all of these because they are very, very different. And you can wear them in so many different ways. That is all 3 polishes in this trio, you guys. I hope that you found this review helpful. Like I said, these are currently available. The website's linked down below if you want to go grab some of these if you haven't picked up any so far. That is the whole review, you guys. Thanks for stopping by to hang out with me today. I hope that you come back for the next one. And until then, take care. Bye!